friends, and welcome back to CS Mentor. So a few days ago, I had shared a video that was a step-by-step registration process for the CS executive level through the direct entry method. I had gotten a lot of good feedback from this video, and I'm glad that this video helped a lot of you. But I think a lot of you also had a very crucial question to be clarified, and that was for students who have passed their graduation but have not yet gotten their marks card yet, what should you do? Because it is said that you can register on the basis of an admit card, but some people were not able to do it. Or students who have not received their results from college yet, what documents should be uploaded? Okay, friends, so for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, I have left a link to this video in the description below. Definitely go ahead and check out the video. But simply come into the ICSI homepage, and when you go into the online services to the registration for the CS executive program through the direct entry method, go in, and we are talking about this particular document over here. This page tells you all the documents that you need to keep ready for uploading at the time of registration. While this requirement says that any one of these documents are required or more than enough, what we actually and practically saw was that they are asking for the post-graduation mark sheet or the pass certificate, as well as the consolidated mark sheets. This is a requirement for you to upload. But please note, they are also mentioning final year semester admit card or hall ticket of graduation. Okay. So for those of you who are confused as to what exactly needs to be done, what you need to understand is that there is a process known as provisional registration. And for this, I would like you to go into, just open out a page on Google and type out the following: FAQs on CS Executive Registration December 2025. When you type this, there will a series of things will open up for you. Simply come down, and there is a link that you will get over here. Even though this says FAQ on CS EET, go inside, because it not only talks about CS EET, it also talks about CS Executive. We'll just come down to the second part, and you can see over here registration to the CS Executive program. I'm not asking you to go through the entire FAQ, even though that would be a good idea. Simply press Ctrl F and type the word provisional. Okay, you will see it in question number 16. Are students allowed to provisionally register for the CS executive program? And for that, they have said yes. Apart from this, they've gone ahead and said in question number 4 as to, the question goes like this: I'm appearing for the final year examination of graduation. Can I apply for the direct registration in executive program? They have said yes, and they have said that you can register provisionally for the exam, but you have to submit the final year or the final semester graduation examination admit card. So guys, you don't have to upload your mark sheet. You can simply upload your final semester graduation your admit card, or your final year or final semester. Now, in some of the comments that I had received earlier, I had also told you, if this is not enough for you, go ahead and attach the 5th semester or the immediately preceding semester. Take that mark sheet and upload that too. Okay, but if you are facing a little more confusion, simply go to the ICSI complaint, the complaint part of the ICSI portal. And here you can actually register a complaint either as a guest user or the registered user. It's very easy to come into this page. Since you don't have your registration number yet, or you have already finished registration and don't have and still have this query, anyone can raise a complaint here. But I'm going to assume that you are a guest user. Fill in all your details, your name, your email ID, put in all these details on your own. And when you come down to the topic and the subtopic, choose the topics that I have chosen over here. You will have multiple choices. Go ahead with student services. Okay. And you'll have under student services, you'll have all of these options available to you. Go on for query of executive registration. The minute you click on query of executive registration, a link will open up over here. A click on link to look at FAQs. Now for this, even though this is revised in 2015, this is there in the complaint portal. So I'm referring to this also. If you simply come down, they are essentially answering the same thing. I'm appearing in the final year of graduation. Can I apply for the direct entry? The reply, if you see, they are telling you the exact same thing. Students who are awaiting the final year results of their degree examinations may apply provisionally, and this is what we call as provisional registration. They can submit a scanned copy of their admit card or hall ticket of the final year, apart from the past mark sheets of the remaining 2 years. So guys, this is very important. Don't just upload your admit card. To be on the safe side, also upload the past mark sheets of the remaining 2 years, or how many years that you have. Stick to 2 years. It's more than enough. You would have definitely gotten your marks card for those 2 years. Once you have uploaded this, then go ahead with your registration process in the exact same way. There is nothing new needed to be done. But within 6 months from the date of your registration to your executive program, you have to submit your mark sheet, certificate, your consolidated mark sheets, etc. within that 6 months time. If you don't submit it within a period of 6 months time, then your registration number will automatically stand cancelled. So friends, I hope this is clear enough for you. For those of you who are unsure of how you need to upload, simply go into the Smash login, enter into this user login. So I'm not going to log in over here right now. You can log in through your Smash login and you can upload your documents. The tab will be open for you to upload it, and the tab will be open for a good 6 months. But if you are still unsure, go ahead and raise your complaint over here itself. Your complaint, just fill in some basic details, be clear about your email ID and your mobile number, and then you can submit this complaint. The complaints will be responded to within 24 to 48 hours. If you are raising a complaint during the weekdays, they might respond to you only after a day. But otherwise, you can simply you just need to follow the same process as I have mentioned in this video for you. If you have any more questions, please do ask below. But apart from that, do subscribe to my channel. I will try to keep you updated with all the necessary things required for the CS executive course. But until then, goodbye.